my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Yes. Please remember to leave me one little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Now my peeps, I'm gonna make some sea moss, okra, oats punch. Alright, I'm gonna put peanut, almond, and some ripe banana. Okay, let's get into it. Oh, can't forget the dragon. Let's get into this video, guys. I have my blender here, all right, and the first thing, I have 1 cup of raw oats, and this is my dragon. I'm gonna put half bottle, well, oh my, 3/4 bottle, guys. This is what left, a little bit. In the meantime, I'm gonna put some almond so it can soak up on the oats and all of that. I'm gonna put about 2 cups. 1, 2. I'm gonna put some okra, but this okra, it's in the freezer and it's not cooked, it's uncooked. Okay, so I'm gonna put about 1 cup. I have some almond slices. I'm gonna put about 1 handful, like 1/3. And this is my peanut. I'm gonna put about 1/3. And this is my sea moss and bladderwrack. I'm gonna put like 2 tablespoons. And I have 2 ripe banana. I'm gonna put 2 fingers of banana. I was gonna put some condensed milk in it, guys, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna let it stay vegetarian, vegan friendly today. Okay. No, I'm not gonna put any honey because 2 fingers of ripe banana is good enough. I'm gonna put some ice, and then later on, if you want to add more liquid, you can. All right. And that's it, guys. We're gonna blend away. This is not so much my good blender, but anyhow, I need a powerful one, but we're gonna see. And we're gonna blend. I'm gonna put like a little bit of nutmeg, just a tips or smidge. Put to your liking. You can put 1/2 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon. All right, this is about maybe half. I'm gonna go in with 2 teaspoons vanilla. Okay, and I'm not gonna put any cinnamon today. That will do. Okay, and I'm gonna blend again. Alright, guys, we're gonna serve up a little bit. Can you see the goodness? Yeah. Alright, I'm just gonna put 2 cubes of ice. 1 in there. We're gonna pour in this one first. All right, my peeps, and this is it. All right, this is my strong back, power punch, stamina back, bodybuilder. This packed with lots of antioxidants, lots of iron, lots of mineral, lots of vitamins, lots of potassium. Guys, this is a body booster, gonna repair your body to full health. And all the man them out there on the construction site, or who want a long night or a long day of hard work, satisfaction guarantee, yeah, try this. Okra put back the oomph in your back. Yes, yes. This gonna clean and build your immune system. Strong back right here, so guys. Bodybuilder. Energy galore. Take it from me. I should know. I am the juice guru. Alright, my peeps. This is it. Love upon me and I love upon you. You have a good day. Bye, guys. Yes. And guys, if you don't like alcohol, you can just upset. Alright, take that out. You can add maybe a malt or 2 tablespoons of molasses in place, okay? Alright, my peeps, you have a good day. Bye, guys.